Dear students and working accountants, sorry, welcome to my Expert Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Bob Rao from Hyderabad. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about the security control, the second type of security control. First type of security control we discussed in the last video. In this video, we are going to discuss the second type of security control, that is security control or data security. Okay. So before entering into the subject topic, a request to you. So many people, they are coming to the channel, just watching the TV and going off without subscribing to the channel. Please, I request everyone to subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all, so that you will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And the another most important thing is, please everyone view every video till the end. Don't skip the video in the middle. If you skip, you will know the subject and you will understand the subject up to that point only. The balance topic or subject you cannot understand. It means this will be like half knowledge. So it's a waste of time also. Okay. So for example, so when you are going to the college, in the college, that's only for academic qualification. So we sit at least 2 to 3 hours in the college. But whereas here we are learning the Tally Prime software, professional training. It is the necessity for our career and our life. So that's why you have to spend the time for this and you have to watch the video till the end. Okay, that's why you watch the video till the end. And after watching the video till the end, if the video is good, please like the video. If you like the video, YouTube people will share this video to many people, so that many people will have the chance to learn this topic. Okay, now we will enter into the topic. So here I am sharing the screen. See here, in the last day. So what is security? So security means, data security means, so with to prevent others to watch our to watch our companies, as well as to view the access the companies and the data in the companies. So in that, the first method of providing the security control or data security is providing the Tally vault password that we completed in the last video. So how to set the Tally vault password, how to change or alter it, and how to remove or delete that Tally vault password. The second type is called as user access control. That is to control the access of the other users, and other than the accountant or the authorized person. So any other user cannot access. So you have to control that access. For that is the second one. For that, it is the for that we have to provide or we have to set username and password. You have to set username and password. That is the second one. First one is called as Tally Vault password. Second one is called user access password. So the Tally Vault password will make the data encrypted. It will be encrypted. It will encrypt the data. It means the name will be encrypted. It will look like stars. That name cannot be found, and only number will be available. Period also not available. So period will not be available, and the name will be encrypted like stars. Only the number will be available. This is in the case of Tally Vault password. But in the second case is all the companies, everything will be visible. Company name, number, period, everything will be visible. But if you want to access the company, that means open the company, you cannot open. So to prevent that opening or accessing the company, we have to provide username and password. So for this, if you give the username and password only, the company will open in the case of encrypted data. That is in the case of Tally Vault password. But in the case of control user access to the data, control user access or user access control, we provide both username and password. Unless you give the password and username and password, you cannot open the data, open the company, but the company, everything, name of the company, period, number, everything is visible. So how to set? In this case also, username and password. We can set the username and password. We can alter or change the username and password, and you can remove or delete the username and password. But you can do both. You can do. But in the case of change, so we have to provide and we have to set both. We can remove both. We have to remove both. One we cannot remove. Remove both, remove, set, remove both. But in the case of alteration or change, you can change both username and password, or you can change any one of them, only username without changing the password, or only password without changing the username. Any one also, both or any one you can change. That's why we will learn now how to do that. First of all, just like that, what you call user, what value vault password, how you will set this, setting the password and username and password, setting, how you will set it in the case of a new company and in the case of an existing company. Okay, now I will create a new company. So I will create a new company. So the name I will give uh, Tally, Tally Security. Sorry, secure. Tally Security Company. I am giving the name. I'm the new name as Sally Security Company, the same. So I will use simply Hyderabad. Full address is to be given, and a state Telangana, and India is the country by default. Pin code 5 lakhs 38, for example, 5 lakhs 38, and we will do all, giving all the thing. We will come to the financial beginning from, and next one, books beginning from, and here below that the password that will be given, the security options will be given. So if you are already created, if you are already created, so you go to the F12, you take the Tally Vault password. Tally Vault password. So if you give yes, so that option will be available. And if you don't give that, select that, that will not be available. That will not be available. So if you give, that will be available. It's okay. But now what we are doing is, now we want the second one, username and password for the, what you call username and password for the security control, user access control. But in this case, what we do is, we will take both. We will take both. We will take. See here. Go to F12. Select the Tally Vault password. So provide use Tally Vault password to encrypt the company data. Make it yes. And the second one also, use access user access control. This also we will control. And here both will be no. Okay. So if you want this, you can make it. So already we know. So I will create that. I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is created. Okay. This is created. After creating, so this, so we have to give this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is given and accept. And now go to this. Sorry, we have not given that. And here go to the second one also. In the second one, so this is created. From hereafter we cannot do anything, only creation of the Tally Vault password in the case of a new company. That is only one thing you can do here. And relating to the Tally Vault, all other work, creating this Tally Vault password in the case of an existing company, making alteration, deleting, everything can be done only Alt X, Alt K, company menu at the end, last Tally Vault. In that button, we can do creating the Tally Vault password or setting up in the case of an existing company. And once it is created, it is existing company. And alteration, that is change or remove, everything can be done there. We can do, we set up this only in the case of a new company, only that. We cannot do any other work. But in this case, so here, in this case, here itself, in the case of the new company, here itself, you can create the username and password. Okay. So this is the new company. So I'm taking the username and password. What you call username, we will give yes. So use security control, that is user access. Give the username and password. I am an admin. This username is not case sensitive. So here, whether you give lowercase or uppercase, when you are accessing, you can give any lowercase or uppercase. It will not access. It is lowercase here. When you are accessing, you can give uppercase. No, nothing, no problem. It will take. But only the password you have to give correctly. So here I am giving. So tally I am giving tally. There I gave 1, 2, 3, 4 for this. And for this I am giving tally. And the username is admin. So it is saying forgetting your password will render the data inaccessible. In this case also, in the case of the tally world password also, if you forget the data, you cannot access the, if you forget the password, you cannot access the data. So, okay, accept. Now, so this one, because it is open, that is why it's not asking. So now I will shut down this. So now this is the 14 one, this is the new company we created now. If you go that first to see if there is both tally vault password and the user access control username and password. In that case, if both are there, first it will ask you the tally vault password. First it will ask you the tally vault password, and then it will ask you username and password both. If tally vault password is not there, it will ask you only the username and password. If the username and password is not there, it will ask you only tally. If there is only one, it will ask the consent credentials. If you have both, first tally vault password 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it will ask you the, see, I am giving here, see, admin, giving uppercase, but it will take here the password is TALLY tally. So like that we have to create. See, tally vault password only in the creation page, and username and password for the user access control in the creation page in the when the company is created. And once the company is created, it becomes all other companies. They are already existing companies. In the case of an existing company, I told you already. In the case of an existing company, I will take up an existing company. So control, sorry, Alt F3. We will take Alt F3. So we will get the list of this one. So for example, I will take the last one. Yes, this is the company. So this is an existing company. So here, tally vault password only, tally vault password only, the new password can be set up in the what you call das page, which on creation page, and all other work. So if you want to change, so you have to come here, you go to here, you have to change here. So change the password or remove the password also. We have to do it in the company menu and tally vault button. Okay. In the case of an existing company, and creation, change or delete. Because if you want to create a new one also, here you can go to tally vault, here give the password and again give the password. It will create the tally vault password. If you want to change it, what you have to do is here again, go here, tally vault. So this is the name, give the password, change, give the new password twice, then it will ask you the old password. It will be created. It will be changed. If you want to delete, just give the password and then you have to don't give the new password, it will delete the one. This is okay. Don't forget about that. Already in the last video, we discussed about the tally vault password. It's okay. And here, this is the company. Sorry. Here, if you want to change it, see, give the old password, give the new password twice. So the password will be changed. Or give the old password, don't give the new password, it will delete. So both can be done here. New password creation also here only. So in the Alt K button or tally vault. Okay, tally vault. Now the second one is, so in the case of a new company only, there you can do now. But here, in the case of user access control, username and password, creation, alteration, deletion, that is create, set up the username password, change the username password, delete the username password. These two can only, in the case of new company, that can be created or set up in the creation page. Except that in the case of an existing company, creation as well as making alteration, delete, change, remove, everything can be done in both the places. So here you go to this one, go to alter, and here what you said, this is the existing company. In the case of an exist, this is created once means it is an existing company only. I am taking an existing company, go to the alter page, and that is the company. Select that. Here, this can be done only at the there. So here you have gone to the alteration page. Means this is the creation page when you are creating. Here we can make the entry. So here we can set up. Here we can set up. Here we can set up the username. If you give yes, and it will ask you the username and twice password twice. So you can do that work there. That is setting up. Either you can do existing company in the alteration page, or this is called as creation page. So in this page you can do, or in the alt K, not alteration page, come down, see the security. So in this page, security also, you can select this, and here also the same thing here. You want to user control access, yes, and then if you make it yes, you have to give the username password twice. And in whenever you do this one, in the S4 company, alt K company menu, then it will ask you in that page one extra option, enable tally, this one, email ID for browser access. That you create, let's say you will get none, or you create a new email. So just to select none, that I will show you. Okay. So here, in the case of an existing company, we can work it in both the places. So this is also an existing company. So in this case, see here, tally. In this case, already we created both. So this is the one. So here, tally vault password 1234, and here admin tally, admin tally. So this is done. So it is okay. It is already created there. That can be created here also. In the case of an existing company, you can do that. Go to this page and select that one. Here itself, you can select. See, yes, if you give, and here I will give. Here also, admin I will give, and I will give 1234. 1234. So remember this. SV Enterprises, the tally vault password is the same. The tally vault password is 1234, both ESS. But here, tally and admin and tally. In the case of that company, and in this company, admin and 1234. Okay, remember this. Accept, accept, accept. So here we did it in this page. Where we did it in this page, company creation page, we did it. So the same thing can be done. The same thing I will tell you. The same thing can be done. So here, the same thing can be done here. Instead of this, the same thing, that is, we can set up the password here. Instead of this one, you can set up the password. We are setting up the password. We can set up the password here also. See here, go to security page and select this one, and you make it yes. And here also, admin 1234, 1234. Okay. And forgetting the password, that is the alert, and come down here. Email ID, this one, you don't take that, just you select none. Just select none and accept. So this is completed. Now, so in both the cases, and we have completed, created, in the case of the new company, created here only in the creation page only, we completed this work. When in the case of the new company, in the case of an old company, here you can go to alter, you can go to this one, company menu, and you can go to security, and we can select it. That means in the alt case company menu, we can provide the username password, or in this case also, we can go to alter page, that is a creation page only. Alter page, here also you can do. In both the places, we can do. Okay, so this is the thing. And now in the both are existing companies only, because I kept open both, because one other work, alteration, that is a change and remove, these two things I will do in one company in this FK alt K menu. In one company, I will do it in the alteration page. Okay. So SV, this one, SV Enterprises. Okay. Here I am going taking this one. This one we can do in both the places. So one company I am taking in the This is what you call in the FK menu, FK, that is Alt K, company menu we are making. In this case, we can go to security option. In the security option, if you open, so it will open the same page open. So here, what you are doing, we are making to change. Changing means change both admin, I mean username and password, both username and password, or you can change only username or only password or only username. We can alter or both you can alter. Say I'm going there. Now I will alter both. Okay. Here I am taking, giving my name, Rao. So password I am giving there. See, that is changed. Password also I am changing here. 1122 I am giving. So 1122 and the old password is 1234. Okay. And now select this none. So now 1234 is changed. Now I have given 1122. Okay, accept this. This is accepted. Now you come down. It is open now. It is not asking. So close down. Now you now log in this. See here. SV Enterprises username password means everything will be visual. Here it is asking. So for this username and password, that is we completely deleted. I think it is in SV Enterprises. For SV Enterprises, for SV Enterprises, yes, this is a new one, new company. For SV Enterprises, we cannot set up the Tally Vault password. So in this case, select this one. So username, we changed it to Rao. We changed it to Rao and 1122. So from admin, I changed it to Rao. From 1234, I changed it to 1122. Because it is accessing. So both we are changing. So here, where it did, we did in the security pen. And in this case, we will go to take this one. In this case, I will do it in the alteration page. Okay, here it will go. Here also what we can do is here, admin. So there we change it to raw. Here I change it to tally. I change it to tally. And in this case, one tally, change it to tally and password, new password I will give you 2222. Okay, 2222. And old password, we will give 1234. I think it is given. No, it is wrong. So the old one is, I think it is tally I have given. Yes, tally I have given. We gave tally. That is admin tally. So tally I have given. So it is accept. Now we have given, see, new password 1122. Okay, accept. It is accepted. Now you see, if you go to this one, we will close and we will open now again. We will access now. See here, 14 is the that tally company. See here, that is 1234 is the tally vault password. That is okay. Here we changed it to raw, not raw. Changed it to, sorry. In this case, here 1234, and here the name is changed to not raw. Admin 1234. No, it is wrong. 1122. No, it is also wrong. It is tally. Sorry, tally 1234. Sorry, 11122. No, tally or something. This is the problem with this. So here, admin. It is changed to admin 1234. No, 1122. Sorry, 1122. Result not there. 2222. Sorry, admin. Admin 2222. So not admin. Tally, sorry. Tally 2222. So okay. So tally 2222. We changed both username and password. Both are changed. So like this. So for SV Enterprises, we changed it in the Alt K company menu in the security option. But for the other company, this one, we went to this page, alteration page. There we changed this one. Okay, now. So like this, what we did, we changed both. Okay, we changed both. So in the same case, we change any one only admin. That is password only you can change. Username, password you won't change. We will change only password, username we will not change. That I will do how to do. So in both the cases here, so this old one I am taking, anywhere you can take the alter page and come here. Here, what you are doing? So username I am not changing. Username I am not changing. Only password I am changing. 123. That's all. I am giving 123. I am giving. So forgetting is that is alert. And then password, old password is for tally 2222. Okay, 2222. See here, remember, password username is not changed. Only password is changed from 2222. We changed it to 123. Remember that. This is over. Okay, now you close this company. You close this company or this one. Control F3. It is closed. Now again, you access this. You access this one here. This is 1234. Okay, username password. We change it to tally and 123. Change it to tally 123. See, tally is not changed. Only password is changed. Okay, the same thing I will do here. In this case, from here you will do. Here we will do the same company. What we do is password is only changed and username is not changed. Now what we will do? See, double two. This is 123 is the new password. We will not change the password. This username only we will change it to admin. So username is changed. Password we will not change means give the same old password 123 123. That means the same is the new password also. And then old password also the same 123. The same password you give as a new password as the worst password. Then this browser access none. Okay. So here password is not changed. Username is changed. In the previous case, username is changed, not changed. Password is changed. So only one. The previous case, we changed both. So like this, you can create. Okay. Now, so you see this. Now you see. So here, not this one. So here, if you close this one, now you close this one. Now access this one. So it will ask you this one, 123. That is the tally vault not changed. This username and password, what you did, username is not changed now. Username is not changed. Now password is changed. Tally. Password is changed. This is not changed. 123. Sorry, tally or admin? Admin. Admin. Last one is N. Admin and password is 123. So here, so remember this. First both changed. Next, username is not changed. Password only is changed. Next one, password is not changed. Username is only changed. Okay, that's it. So in that case, so all this we did in both the cases. So the same company, one thing I did using the security in the Alt K option. Another one I did in this one in the alteration page. So either in this or there, anywhere you can do the work except creating the or setting up the username password. In the case of a new company, we can do it here only. Afterwards, you can setting up the password in the case of an existing company, setting up the password, alteration or changing or removing everything can be done in any place for this user access control, either in the alteration page or in the Alt K page, Alt K company menu in the security page. Okay. So this also the same thing. I showed both the places for this. Both the places for this. Changed one, only one. Changed another one in this case. And the same case, if you want to, so we will take up this also. This is not changed. No, this is not, now it is not changed. We will go to control, this one. So here, now we will access this. Alt F3. This is SV Enterprises. So it will ask you only raw 2222. No, 1122. Yes, 1122 we changed. So this is done. So in this case, also in both the cases, how to remove that. So setup, okay, we learned setup, alter both username password or only password without changing username. Next, changing only username without changing the password. Both the case, three cases we learned. In both the cases, how to remove the username. If you remove creation, both you have to create. Deletion, that is remove also, both you have to remove. One you cannot remove, but alteration only. Both can be altered. Any one can be altered. But now in both the cases, we will delete the username and password totally. We will delete the user access control. That is also called security control. We will remove. That means use password and username both we will remove. So in one case, I will remove in this Alt K company menu in the security button for one company. Another company, I will complete this, delete this in the alteration page. First SV Enterprises. We'll go here, go to the, this is very simple. That is, deletion is very simple, removal. Go to security and that company is selected now. See, it will show already selected. Go to this one. So here, it is already open now. Now it will not ask any username or password. Okay. So we are in the security and username, user access page. Now here only nothing. We need not do anything. Just go back, go to the backspace, just the backspace, the user access control to the company data. We made yes, just make it no. That means we don't want. Make it no and give the password 1122. Okay, 1122 and take the, for this email ID for browser access, always you take that none. Okay, is accepted. Now, so that is completed. Now you go and see. So SV Enterprises. So we will close this one and we will shut that one. Now we go to this. See here. Go to this SV Enterprises. So we removed completely. So directly it is accessing. No username, password. That is removing that. That is user access control. No, if you give, so total access security control will be removed. So it is directly will happen. So we did it in the Alt K security, Alt K page, security button. Now the second one, we will take this one. This one we will do the same work we will do in the alteration page. So here also the same thing. So here this is alteration page. Cursor will be here. Bring the cursor here. So here, from here, go on pressing enter button, or you can do directly. So on this button, you can click the mouse. So make it no. Make it no, and it lost the password. So in this case, if you do any work in the alteration page, use email ID for browser access, it will not ask. If you do it here only, it will ask. So what is this one? 1234. No, wrong. It is 2222. It is also wrong. For this, I think it is tally is the password. No, it is also wrong. That is very careful. You remember, note down. That is the problem with this. You have to remember that. 1122. No, it is also wrong. 1234. It is also wrong. 2233, I think. It is also wrong. Okay. 1 2. Tally. So tally is also wrong. What is the password given here? Here for this tally password, we have given 1234. So okay, what maybe 2233. It is also wrong. Sorry, 123. Only three numbers. So 123 we gave. So 123. It is deleted now. Now it will not ask you now. So close this one. That is shut this company. Now again open this. See here again open this. But tally vault password is there. That is why it is there. So if you go this tally vault password is 1234, and here, so it is directly open. Only tally vault password is there. Username or password is there. Directly is opening. That also you can remove. That is tally vault password also. You can remove old password 1234, and after that don't give any password. Just accept. Making the password blank will remove the encryption. So already exception is removed, and every time it will ask you like this, yes, and copy of the company, no. Okay, it is over. Now you close down this company, that is shut the company. Now you see, if you shut the company, see here, the Tally World security company. So encryption has gone. Now it become a normal company. Okay, become a normal company, and also username password also removed. So automatically it will open like this. So in the case of Tally Vault password, that is in the Tally Vault password is different. In the case of control user access, username and password you have to give. So we have to give both. We can set up. In the case of the new company, in the creation page. In the case of an existing company, either in the new page in either in the alteration page or in the Alt K company menu in the security option. We can set up that one in either places. In either places, we can setting up either places in the case of an existing company. New company base only in the creation page. And after that, every company will become even after creation. Every company is an existing company. So alteration, both or any one of the username or password, and remove the username and password, everything can be done either place, either in the Alt K company menu in the security option, and in the alteration page also we can remove the username, password, remove, change, everything you can do in both the places. Any place you can do. So with this, this one it will be a little confusing. You practice that with different passwords. Don't take, I just have to understand. I am giving you 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. But remember, write, note down, and practice this. Very easily you can understand. Because with this, I close this. In the next video, we will go to some other new topic. A very important and very simple topic. Very important, a very simple topic. Restore, backup and restore. We will go to that. Till that, good night, goodbye, and all the best. Bye.